Welcome to Embedded Systems and IoT. Myself, M. Muthu, Assistant Professor, AC Department. What is an embedded system? An embedded system is a specialized computer system designed to perform a dedicated function within a larger mechanical or electronic systems. If you see this definition, an embedded system here is a small part of a larger mechanical system. Your embedded system just controls the whole portion of a mechanical system. In general, it integrates software to achieve a specific task, often with real-time computing constraints. So, embedded system is a combination of hardware and software. So, these are the components of embedded system: hardware, software, and sometimes it may have a real-time OS inside it. Types of embedded system: standalone embedded system, network embedded system, mobile embedded system, real-time embedded system. When you say washing machine, a refrigerator, a microwave oven, these systems are called standalone embedded systems. These systems are not connected to any network and they are called standalone systems. Network embedded systems. Say for example your mobile phones, your laptops or some other are connected to an internet connection. So those embedded systems which are connected to embedded systems are called network embedded systems. Mobile embedded system which is can carry from one place to another place, like your mobile phones, laptop, podcast, something like that. So these embedded systems we can carry from one place to another place. Real-time embedded systems which are used in ships and airplanes and military. So these will have a specific constraint over the time. The output should be achieved within time specified, so that we call that as real-time embedded systems. The next one is application of embedded system. You can see numerous applications in consumer electronics, home appliances, automotive, medical, telecommunications, and many more. When you see about these consumer electronics, we have MP3 players, digital cameras, and televisions. When you see home appliances, we have microwave, ovens, washing machines, and dishwashers. When you say automatic anti-lock braking systems, ABS, electronic stability control system, and hybrid vehicles. Medical equipments, which used for monitoring devices and medical imaging systems, are also comes under embedded systems. A telephone switch or a network router or a bridge are part of embedded systems. So, what embedded system characters? The character of embedded system is task specific. It can do only the function which is assigned to it. So it cannot do multiple tasks. It is a specific task oriented. And the cost of embedded system is very low. Generally, it is inexpensive to produce. The time sensitivity, it operates within strict time constraint. The output will be obtained within a specific time period, and it has low power consumption, so you can use it for remote locations without any power supplies. Highly reliable, so that it consists of perform tasks without failures. So what will be the block diagram of embedded system looks like? We have a microcontroller and we have input output ports which are connected via three types of buses: address bus, data bus, and control bus. When you see a microcontroller consists of a processor inside it and a RAM memory and ROM memory inside it. So you can see memory are available in the microcontroller here. RAM memory is called data memory and ROM memory is called program memory. And processor consists of your ALU, which performs all the data calculations. And these three buses which controls the movement of data from microprocessor to the IO devices. Input are obtained through IO ports and outputs are given through the output ports, and we can connect any kind of physical devices. The next one is an Ardino. An Ardino is an open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. So an Ardino is a microcontroller hardware, and Ardino has a software. And Ardino boards are able to read inputs, for example, light on a sensor, a finger on a button, or a twisted message, and turn it into an output, activating a motor, turning on an LED, publishing something online. So all these can be done through an Arduino board, which consists of a microcontroller inside it. So hope you understand the basics of embedded systems, so that we'll see other things in the next class. Thank you very much.